Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Anirban Naskar. Ishre, once again, I think there's some problem with the webcam. Uh, am I visible? Am I visible to everyone?
Yes, 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 yes. No problem.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Go ahead.
So everyone, my name is Anirban Naskar, Ishre Student Chapter President, Dr. J.J. Makdum College of Engineering, Jaisingpur, and I'm very pleased to welcome you all to Ishre Speaks 2020. I hope you are keeping well in this pandemic. Before we move forward, I would like to show you a small AV of Ishre. Okay, so that was a very brief introduction of Ishre. For more details, you can visit www.ishre.in. And if you're not a member of Ishre, join Ishre now. Now coming back to Ishre Speaks 2020. Why 2020? Because we are looking forward to host these kinds of seminars every year. Basically, you might be wondering, what is Ishre Speaks 2020? It is a platform that provides an opportunity not only to the industrial experts, but also to the alumni who have excelled in their academics. But before I take you to the overview of all the topics and the speakers, I would like to thank Professor S.M. Sheikh Sir, Head Mechanical Department of Dr. J.J. Makdum College of Engineering, Professor R.H. Yadav Sir, President Ishre, Kolhapur Sangli Subchapter, management of my college for always understanding my potential and their constant support. Professor Avesh Ahmed Hussaini Sir, Student Chair Ishre Kolhapur Sangli Subchapter for his unconditional help. So now telling you in brief about the speakers and their topics going as per the schedule. Our first seminar is tomorrow and the speaker is Miss Ashmita Datta and the topic that she is going to take is Python. Now programming language has now become a demand of many MTech colleges and which is easy to learn, highly readable and simple to use. Python is one of the most used programming language in the world. With use in data science, machine learning, analytics, etc. The points that she is going to cover are features and history of Python, use of Python, variables and data types, operators, conditionals, loops, lists, strings, sets, dictionaries, input modules, and Turtle GUI, wherein he will get to learn a lot from Python. So this is all about Python, and that is tomorrow. So don't miss it at 5 p.m. sharp. So moving on, our next speaker on 12th is Mr. Aditya Vibhute, who is Director of Yashoda Engineering Services Private Limited. He is the founder of Phoenix Institute of Piping Engineering. He has experience of designing building services and hospitals, hotels, residential townships, and hospitality projects. The topic on which he is going to speak is opportunities in MEP, that is mechanical, electrical, plumbing, which is going to be really interesting and one of the most demanding topic in the industry right now. So don't miss it. So moving towards our next speaker, that is on 13th, is Ms. Shreya Kulkarni, who is Assistant System Manager in TCS, and the topic she is going to take is artificial intelligence. So I did not say you much about AI because now AI is everywhere, literally everywhere. But she is going to teach you something really interesting in AI that you might be not knowing. And the points that she is going to cover are introduction to AI, real-time examples and emerging its usages, why AI is needed, how we can approach ourselves to the world of AI, benefits of AI, basic hierarchy of AI, and many more. So that sounds interesting, isn't it? So moving on to our next speaker on the list is Mr. Vijay Kapote, and his seminar will be on 15th. So Mr. Kapote is a founder of VJ Kapote Consultancy. He has a vast experience of 42 years in design engineering and AutoCAD drawings to work with national and international standards. And the topic that he's going to speak is duct design calculation in HVAC, again, which is really important topic in HVAC for mechanical sector as well as for other branches also. So don't miss this seminar again, because again, it is a really important topic as far as your industry and your career is concerned. So moving on, our next seminar will be on 16th, which will be presented by Mr. Bharat Kapre, again alumni of our college, and the topic that he's going to discuss is Six Sigma. So you might have heard about Six Sigma. So Six Sigma, what is Six Sigma? So Six Sigma is basically a set of techniques and tools for process improvement. So he will be covering a lot of points in Six Sigma. So the points that he's going to cover are tools and methods of Six Sigma. What is DMAIC in Six Sigma? What is DMAIC? So DMAIC is basically define, measure, analyze, improve, control in Six Sigma. Goals and strategy of Six Sigma and advantages of Six Sigma. So again, which is really important topic, as far as your industry is concerned, when you will be going out after your engineering, when you're going for MTech or any other sector, again, Six Sigma plays a very important role in as far as industry is concerned. So moving on, our next speaker is Dr. Suresh D. Mane, who is the principal of GSIT College, Karwar. He has an experience of 6 years in research, 8 years in academics, 20 years in industry, and holds lots and lots of degrees. And the topic on which he is going to take seminar is energy audit focus on HVAC. So, this energy audit focus on HVAC is a huge topic, and there are so many things that you need to understand, and it will help you a lot especially if you're trying to make your career in HVAC. So as it is a very huge topic, we have kept this seminar for consecutive 2 days. So if you have got the flyer that we have released day before yesterday, so the days on which he is going to give seminar, that is on 17th and 18th. And trust me that you are going to learn a lot from this seminar. So our next speaker is again alumni of our college. He is Mr. Sarvesh Mohite, who is final year MTech student from VJTI Mumbai and specializing in thermal. And he's going to take CFD, that is computational fluid dynamics. Once again, something that is very important to learn for all the engineers. His seminar will be on 19th. And the points that he's going to cover are CFD methodology, basic equation to governing equation, types of boundary condition, intro to FDM and FVM, diffusion problem, and a lot of other things. And at last, he will also tell you the study materials that you can refer to for understanding ANSYS in a more better way. So moving forward, our next speaker on our list is Mr. Ninad Sarunke, who is Assistant Manager at KSB Limited. So Mr. Ninad has experience working with KSB Limited, Willow Mather, and Platt Pumps Private Limited, Lexi Private Limited, ITS Private Limited, and the topic that he's going to take is basics of pumps, and his seminar will be on 20th. So especially now it has been a really trending topic in industry, the pumps. So all he will try to teach you the basics of pumps. Again, it will be a really interesting topic that you can learn a lot from it. So it will be on 20th of this month. So moving on, our next speaker is Mr. Rohit Murray, who is working as officer LSCM Bristol, LSCM, that is Logistics and Supply Chain Management Bristol. He is the officer of LSCM, and the topic is supply chain management. His seminar is scheduled on 21st, and the points that he is going to cover in the seminar are example of study is of supply chain and its driving function, explanation on how flow of information takes place, cash, physical goods, happy within organization and to the customer, important industrial activities that happens in supply chain. So basically the supply chain management, again, one of the most important topic. You enter any industry, you have to have knowledge, you need to have knowledge of supply chain management. So don't miss this lecture of supply chain management by Mr. Rohit Murray. So moving on to our last speaker, that is Mr. Amit Phale, whose seminar will be on 22nd, and that will be our last day of ISHRE Speaks 2020. So speaking a few words about Mr. Phale. Mr. Phale, again, he is an alumni of our college. Mr. Phale is second year MTech student from NIT Nagpur and working as sub-engineer in BMC Mumbai. The topic that he's going to speak is competitive examinations. Whoa, something really interesting and something that is the need, the requirement of the students right now, competitive examination. And the points that he's going to cover are: what should you do after BE? After you complete your engineering, what should you do? Next, the point that we'll be focusing on: campus placements, information related to higher studies, preparation of government exams, MBA, starting your own construction, your own job or business, and at last, how to prepare in this lockdown. So basically, we have got a golden chance, a golden time in this lockdown where you can prove yourself, where you can just take many and lots of courses online, and you can learn a lot from this lockdown. So again, he is going to guide you that how you can prepare for all these kind of government examinations in this lockdown. So he'll be giving you a proper schedule, a proper guidance. So don't miss his lecture, and I know that you are not going to miss this lecture. So that is the whole set of knowledge I can say that you are going to gain, and I assure you all that will be really beneficial for you. So you might have seen the topics as well as the speakers. They all are really intellect, they all are really experienced in their own sectors. So I wish that from tomorrow onwards our first seminar is starting till 22nd. So I hope that you are not going to miss any of the lectures, and hopefully that we are also trying that after you attend all the seminars, we are going to provide you an e-certificate also. So stay calm, and it's just a matter of 5 to 6 p.m. Every day, and we are skipping the Sunday in between. So every day you can just gain a lots and lots of knowledge from 5 to 6 p.m. till 22nd of this month. So this is all from my side. So this was the overview of ISHRE Speaks 2020. So now we have our delegates, because of whom this ISHRE Speaks 2020 has been successful. So now I will bring you one delegate to you who will share with you, who will share their kind words with you. So stay tuned. So now, first of all, I'm bringing to you Professor S.M. Sheikh sir, who is head of Mechanical Engineering Department of Dr. J.J. Magdum College of Engineering. And so Here he is. Stay tuned. Yeah.
Thanks, Anirban. Very good evening, one and all. Myself, SM Sheikh, Head of Department Mechanical Engineering, Dr. JJ Magdum College of Engineering, Jaisinghpur. First of all, I take this opportunity to give the big thanks to our management, Honorable Mr. Dr. Vijay Magdum sir, our CEO, Dr. DN Mudgal sir, Vice Principal of the college, M. Nanivdekar sir, and at the same time, the Kolhapur Sangli Subchapter, President of ISRE Kolhapur Sangli Subchapter, Professor R.H. Yadav sir, Student Chair Professor Avesh Hussaini sir. He has take lot of effort with these two guys, Mr. Anirban and Ashmita, who take the lot of efforts day and night, and this event is successful. Basically, we have a very long association with ISRE. Last 10 years we have running the ISRE student chapter. We have many events organized with the ISRE Kolhapur Sangli sub chapter and ISRE HQ. So on this platform, the student of ISRE or ISRE student member take the benefit of such webinar series in all the respect. During the lockdown period, we cannot organize such thing, but with the help of technology, if we have a very far away, but with the help of webinar series, online program, we can interact the technical knowledge or technical transfer with the help of such a very huge or very big shot of the industries, as well as our good alumni who share their knowledge as well as their view regarding the industry. With this, I congratulate all the participants from the various student chapter, various institution, and at the same time, I thanks all the resource person, Mr. Dr. Mane sir, Mr. Vijay Kapote sir, Mr. Ninad and Mr. Aditya Vibhute, who take the initiative and accept our invitation and give some time to our student or ISRE for their better career. Thanks a lot. Anirban,
Yes, sir.
may I request now to speak some words to request to Professor Avesh Hussaini sir. Please, Avesh.
Good evening, all. Thank you, Yadav sir, and thank you, Sheikh sir, for to inviting me for such a wonderful inaugural function of the ISRE Speak 2020. So, what is the need of this particular mega event? Already that Anirban told us. Okay, so we know that due to that global warming and due to that climate change, we are facing a lot of the problems. So everybody need some comfort. So that's why that the field HVAC and R is trending now. So there is a huge application of the heating, ventilation and air conditioning nowadays everywhere in case of the hospitals, shopping malls, restaurant complexes, commercial and industrial application. We need refrigeration and air conditioning. So those who are interested to join that ISRE student chapter, so they can register by online mode. So it will give the good platform to make a career and make a business in that, or make a job in that particular field. So this is the most important thing to join that ISRE nowadays. So there are a lot of the benefits of the ISRE. ISRE promote research for the engineering student. For UG level, ISRE will give 50,000 rupees amount, and for PG level, ISRE will provide 1 lakh rupees. There are n number of the research areas like indoor air quality, then sustainability, thermal energy storage, then multi-operative system. There are a lot of the areas in which they are asking n number of the proposal. If your proposal is accepted by the ISHRE, you will get funding amount up to 50,000 rupees for UG level, and for PG level you will get 1 lakh rupees. So this is the most important opportunity for engineering student. The second one and most important one is that K-12 activity. That K-12 activity is just a awareness program. We can involve the students from that KG level to 12th standard students. So this is the most important thing. In that K-12 activity, we can do activities like spreading the awareness about the basic fundamental of the refrigeration and air conditioning, some kind of the renewable energy sources, some kind of the drawing competition, some kind of little bit visits, some kind of the STEM science related projects. So such kind of activities is done come under that K-12 activity. And proud to say that on 2016 Kolhapur Sangli subchapter get best K-12 activity award in the India. So this is the most proud moment for us. Also ISHRE will promote student also for different engineering college for different engineering visits like cold storages, milk processing unit, ice factories, and number of the HVAC and R industry. So again, it is a best platform for ISHRE student to take a benefit of that different industrial visit apart from your curriculum. Then the next important thing we think is ISHRE will conduct n number of the programs online mode. Like today we know that because of that COVID, nobody speak in the regular mode. So everywhere a lot of the webinars are going on, and ISHRE will provide free facility to all engineering students, those who are member, and if it is not member, they will join that ISHRE. He will get benefit of that webinar series also. Also ISHRE will provide good technical speaker to chapter level. So this is again the best platform for us. ISHRE, one of the most important major mega national event is Equest competition. The finalist of that Equest competition will get selected by that Hitachi company. So this is again a proud moment for student to take a benefit of it. So also ISHRE organized Asia's largest exhibition. You know that ISHRE last year that before 4 or 5 month back on Delhi, that Acrex competition was there, and we will get idea about lot of what are the different trends in HVAC and R field. So this is again we can take benefit as a student member to join that Acrex Acrex world largest or Asia's largest exhibition. The next is a student will get e-journals through their own login accounts. Also ISHRE celebrate n number of the days. This is a social days like Ozone Day, then recently Environmental Day, Food Safety Day, Earth Day, or Earth Hours, etc. So student will take benefit of that particular things. ISHRE also organized a national level RefCode poster competition. It include various trending topics like indoor air quality, recent trends in refrigeration and air conditioning, thermal storage and all, sustainability, etc. So again, those who are good in that heat load calculation, also ISHRE will give opportunity to one grand mega national event, that is ISHRE design competition, NSDC competition, and the finalist of that NSDC competition will get opportunity to join the industry. They can connect with industry people. Again, they will get good prizes also. So ISHRE newly launched one kind of the foundation for the ISHRE science, technology and research proposal for the UG and PG level. It is just similar to ISPG. Apart from that ISPG, also ISHRE promote us for research for engineering student by that new platform. In that particular platform, apart from that ISPG, again we can send proposal to that that particular new event. The name of that event is FIRST. Okay, so again for UG level we will get 50,000 rupees, and for that UG level 15,000 rupees, and for PG level we will get 1 lakh rupees. So the basic main motto of that ISHRE student activity is to connect that student with industry people. So I request all members to join that ISHRE to take a benefit. So I wish you best luck for that ISHRE Speak 2020 team. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay fit, and stay energetic. Over to Anirban.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Avesa, that was really informative information that you have shared with us about ISHRE and everything. So now I am putting on, yes, that is Yadav, sir. He is the president of Kolhapur Sangli subchapter. So Yadav, sir, all yours, sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Good evening to one and all. As a faculty advisor of JJ COE and president of ISHRE Kolhapur Sangli subchapter, I once again welcome all the dignitaries, delegates, student friends for this inaugural function of webinar series ISHRE Speaks 2020. With the efforts of enthusiastic students of JJM COE and our ISHRE Kolhapur Sangli subchapter, especially student president Mr. Anirban Naskar, Ms. Ashmita Datta, Mr. Vivek Phule, Mr. Nawaz will be able to organize this web series of 10 speakers. I wish grand success for this 12 days webinars series, and I request all the delegates and student friends to take benefit of this program and variety of subjects. I thank all the dignitaries who are present over here, all the participants and organizers, students of this program. I also thank all the distinguished speakers, alumni speakers as well, as they are taken time to share their experience with the delegates and student friends. With these few words, I conclude my speech. At the outset of this webinar series, I request all of you to give your feedback over the link available in the chat box. Once again, I thank all the dignitaries, all student delegates and organizer students, and I wish grand success to this webinar series. Thank you once again. Thank you. Over to Anirban.
Yes, sir. Once again, sir. I'm just sharing the link, the feedback link. Once again, sir.
Yes.
Okay, the link has been shared with you. You can just visit it. You can give your valuable feedback. So that is all from our side, ladies and gentlemen who have joined the seminar. Once again, thank you for your kind time for joining with us. So don't forget that tomorrow the first seminar will be from Ms. Ashmita Datta, and she'll be giving you seminar on Python, and she's going to take a really informative session where you will be learning a lot of Python tomorrow. So all the very best to all the speakers and all the very best to all the attendees, those who are going to attend. So with this, we are signing off, and if you have any queries, all the speakers as well as the attendees, you can just drop your question below. We are online to help you. If you have any question, we'll just take 2 minutes time to see if you have any doubt. So you can just chat, you can just type your question in the chat box below.
Anirban.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm
show this flyer show.
Okay, sir. Just a
show
second,
the
sir.
flyers.
Okay, sir. So I'm sharing the flyer with you all. So once again, yep. So this is the flyer of our distinguished speakers, as you can see on your screen. First is Dr. Suresh, sir, Suresh D. Mane, next is Mr. Vijay Kapote, sir, Ninad Sarunke, sir, Aditya Vibhuti, sir. So we are online right now to help you. So you can just drop down your questions below in case of you need anything, any extra seminar, any extra points to be covered in the seminars that you're going to attend. So yes, you can drop down your questions below. So this is the flyer of all the distinguished speakers. So next flyer is of all the alumni speakers. Here it is. So even you can see all the alumni speakers. Sarvesh Moite, MTech VGTI, Shreya Kulkarni, she got recruited in TCS. Mr. Bharat Kapre, MTech VIT Lord, Rohit Mure, who is officer of LSCM Bristol, Amit Fale, he is doing MTech from NIT Nagpur, and again who is sub-engineer in BMC Mumbai. Ms. Asmita Datta, she has got recruited in Capgemini and she's one of the Python expert of our college. So these are all the alumni speakers. So I think all your doubts have got cleared. So that is, so we will just wrap up this seminar right now. Okay, so that's it for today. So I hope that tomorrow you will join back again at 5 p.m. sharp. Once again, I remind you that tomorrow's seminar will be taken by Ms. Ashmita Datta and the topic is Python. So don't miss it. So till that time, stay safe, stay happy and maintain social distancing. And I hope that you and your family are keeping well in this COVID-19 pandemic. So that's it from our side. So we are cutting off. Take care and bye-bye.